Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of AWS Mastery course. So in the last session we have understood about like what is CloudWatch, what exactly the purpose behind using CloudWatch. But in this particular session we are going to understand like how we can practically set up our CloudWatch in order to monitor our resources like EC2, RDS, S3 or any other AWS service. So these are the things we are going to learn in this particular session. So in this particular session, I'm going to show you like how you can monitor your AWS resource in a practical manner. So how we can do that? In order to do that, let me show you practically. And for doing that, let's just go to our AWS console and we are going to open our AWS CloudWatch and we will try to monitor the service which we are going to monitor, open the service which we are going to monitor with the help of AWS CloudWatch practically. So as you can see guys, like I'm in my AWS console home. Now let's just search for CloudWatch. You will see like something like this, monitor resources and application. Let's just click over here. Okay, so we are here. So as you can see, we are getting few options like dashboard, alarms, log, matrices, X-ray trace, events. Like all these options are for CloudWatch and these options are related to CloudWatch and we are going to use like most of these options. So as you can see, we are getting this dashboard and it is saying get started with CloudWatch. Set alarm of any of your metrics, like if there is any fault you can set the alarm, you will get the notification on your email or in your mobile number. You can say like you can create the CloudWatch dashboard, so you can do lots of things. So now let's just go to our dashboard and let's just click over here and you will get this kind of window or this kind of interface. And once you will click on create dashboard and let's just say I'm just saying hoping minds. Okay, what I'm saying, hoping minds. Okay, so now let's just click on create dashboard. Okay, now we are getting widgets. Widgets is basically a kind of parameter or kind of a graph or chart or any number system by which like we are going to monitor our resource. So as of now, like you can choose anything, like you can choose line, you can choose data table, you can choose number, even you can choose bar graph. It totally depends on you. Let me take bar graph first. So click next, and as of now you are not having any service. We have created the EC2 as well, so let me just click on EC2. Okay, and we are having per instance metric. Let's just click over here. So now you can choose any service. So based on metadata, CPU utilization, network packet, network out, network in, CPU credit, so anything you are having you can just choose this. So let me just choose this like CPU credit usage and let's just create the widget. So as you can see, we are getting something like this. Okay, so CPU credit usage, we are getting this chart over here like bar graph. So we can create another what I can say dashboard. Let me just create the dashboard with some numbers so you'll get the idea. So again, okay, so we are having this again CPU credit usage. So I'm just taking this, and as you can see we are having something like this, and you can just set up something like this and you will see you will be having some number. So as of now we don't have any number. Okay, but still like we are having these things. So as you can see, the here we are having the graph as well. So the as of now like the CPU credit usage is below like 0.2. As you can see, like it is like 0.2. So once there will be less, then it will become 1. You will get the I can say number over here. So whatever the service you are having, and based on the particular condition, like I'm just monitoring the credit usage, you can just choose that. If you are choosing like how the network is working, you can choose that as well. So it totally depends on you, like how you are creating your dashboard. Okay, so it totally depends on you. So this is how you can monitor your AWS resource. So that's it for this session, and in this session I'm going to show you like how you can create your SNS topic, like how you can create your alarms and your notifications, so that whenever there is any issue with this particular performance, and if we'll get any kind of fault or issue, so that we can get the notification, because you are not going to sit 24 into 7 in front of your system. So you should do some automation, so that I'm going to show you in the next session. So I hope you guys have understood about like how we can monitor our resources, how we can set up our monitoring, I can say monitoring our resources using CloudWatch, and also how we can monitor resources or services like EC2, RDS, and so on. So that's it for now. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, just take care of yourself. Thank you so much.